Today I'm going to show you a ridiculously easy holiday design using these neon acrylic paint pens and painter's tape. We're going to start out by using a piece of the painter's tape and adding it to the stone right in the center. Make sure that it's nice and smoothed out and that it's adhered really well around the edges. Next, you're just going to take those paint pens and start making dots all around that tape. And don't worry if you overrun onto the tape a little bit, that's exactly why it's there. It's creating a little border for us to write a message later. Now that we have the rainbow of dots on there, we're going to take the Extreme Hologram glitter paint and a nail dotting tool and add some large dots of the hologram glitter paint to create some sparkle. You can also create this design with dotting tools and a rainbow assortment of paint. You don't have to use the paint pen, so just use whatever's comfortable for you and use that tape to help create the border for the writing that we're going to add later. You don't have to worry so much about that space because the tape is there. Now that the paint is dry, we're ready to peel that tape off of the center of the stone, and you're going to see that we have this nice rectangular border to write a message in. Around the holidays, I'm a big fan of the phrase merry and bright, so I'm going to write that in a mix of print and script and thicken those letters up when the pen was in a downward stroke, and we have the cutest, easiest, last-minute rock painting design for the holidays. Don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss future video uploads with fun designs like this one. I hope you're staying warm and merry and bright this holiday season. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch, and I'll see you next time. Take care.